In the previous video, I applied a strategy based on trend levels, used a single indicator, and slightly increased my deposit. Today we'll see how successful I can be at boosting my deposit using 3 indicators. Once again, Heiken Ashi candles will be needed, along with 2 minutes for executing trades, and of course a strategy based on 3 indicators. Currently, my balance is $1855. In this video, I will continue growing my deposit. Hit the like button and let's get started. You're on the Max Pro Trading channel. Let's get started, and you can follow along to earn a little. To do this, open the chart using the link in the description. Choose the Heiken Ashi candle type and set the candle time frame to 30 seconds. If you're interested in candlestick combinations, their use, and how they can improve your trading, check out the relevant video on my channel. Next, set 2 minutes for executing trades, and in the indicators section, add 2 indicators, Bollinger Bands and stochastic. These indicators, when combined, can provide a quality signal for opening a trade, but they need to be configured correctly. For the first indicator, change the period to 22 and deviation to 1.8. In the Style tab, turn off the middle line, make the upper line white with a width of 2 pixels, and make the lower line white with a width of 2 pixels as well. Set the background color to white, make it slightly transparent, and save the changes. Now let's configure the second indicator. Change the period to 22, deviation to 1.8, and in the Style tab, set the width of the upper line to 2 pixels. Turn off the middle line and make the lower line red with a width of 2 pixels. Make the background slightly transparent and save the settings. The indicators are almost configured. In the second indicator, change the deviation to 2.8 and save the changes. Now the Bollinger Bands are set. As for the stochastic indicator, just remember 3 values, 10, 2, 2, and input them in order. Then in the Style tab, set the main lines to white and save the settings. Now all the indicators are configured and we are ready to go. All that's left is to demonstrate and practice how to use these indicators in combination and what to pay attention to. Are you ready to earn every day? Want to make trading your primary source of income? Join my general group and you'll definitely get closer to trading. Every day in the morning and evening, I share signals for opening trades. You can simply copy them and also earn a little. For those seriously committed to trading, I have a closed VIP group. In it, we use signals from trading bots and work based on signals from artificial intelligence. If you want to join my group, specifically scan the QR code you see on the screen or follow the link in the description of this video. Let's start earning together. I'm waiting for you on Telegram, and I'll continue. I find a suitable situation and open an upward trade with an amount of $200 for 2 minutes. Now I'll explain why I opened a trade here and what points you should pay attention to. The first thing you should notice before opening a trade is the candles entering the buffer zone of the indicators. Such situations are often encountered on charts and always repeat. Next, identify the moment when the candles just start to cross the white line and enter inside the indicator itself. As you can see, these moments indeed constantly recur, and the candles always drop into the buffer zone. In my case, the candles spent a long time on the edge of the indicator zone, and as soon as they began to enter inside the indicator, I needed to open a trade with the second candle. This should happen when the white lines in the stochastic indicator just start to cross the danger zone line and move towards the middle zone of the indicator. Such moments are genuinely easy to identify. Similarly, you should operate in situations for a downward movement, but here the candles should move from top to bottom, and the lines in the stochastic indicator should cross the upper danger zone line and move downwards. As soon as you notice that the candles are starting to enter the indicator and the stochastic lines are beginning to cross the danger zone line, open a trade in the direction of the lines in the stochastic indicator. The price continues to rise and my trade closes, bringing me a profit of $112 in 2 minutes. The strategy is truly working exceptionally well. Just open the chart, try to identify similar moments, and trade based on them. If you haven't registered yet, follow the link in the description, sign up, open the platform, and simply follow along with me to start earning. However, before making a deposit, don't forget to enter my unique promo code, which will give you a 50% bonus on the deposited amount. For example, if you deposit $100, enter the the promo code, and you'll receive $150 real in your account. It may be a small bonus, but it's especially pleasing for those who are just starting their journey in the world of trading. And I'll continue demonstrating strategies and trading. I've spotted a good situation. The candles just went beyond the boundary and returned within the indicator. I decide to increase the trade amount. In the stochastic indicator, the candlesticks have already crossed the danger zone line and are moving upward. On the next candle, I open an upward trade for 2 minutes with a stake of $250, with a winning payout of 84%, which amounts to $460. If all goes well, I could earn $210 by investing $250. It's worth noting that this broker consistently offers a high payout percentage for active currency pairs. Now, about the current situation. The candles slightly went beyond the indicator boundary and came back inside. Simultaneously, the stochastic in the indicator crossed the main danger zone lines and is moving upwards, indicating a price increase. A similar situation has been observed before. Recently, the candles stayed at the indicator boundary for a while and simultaneously entered the indicator with the stochastic lines while continuing to rise. Even earlier, the candles were also moving at the indicator boundary and simultaneously began to rise with the stochastic lines. During these times, the price constantly fluctuated, and I waited for a similar moment. When the candles changed direction and started to rise, I increased the amount, considering the possibility of working with chasing trades. The correct way to handle chasing trades can be learned from my previous video. The price is not very active, but it consistently continues to rise. My trade closes and I earn another $210 in just 2 minutes. By the way, write in the comments how much you earn in 2 minutes. Next, I'll reduce the trade amount and start working with this amount again. To do this, I need to find a suitable currency pair. I identify a suitable situation and open a downward trade with an amount of $250 also for 2 minutes. Let's carefully examine the chart. The candles are constantly changing, forming a zigzag pattern which is characteristic of an active currency pair. Throughout the hour after the candles went beyond the indicator, they fell again. In my situation too, the candles went beyond the boundaries of the first indicator, touched the boundaries of the second indicator, and returned inside the indicator. From the second candle, I opened a downward trade at the moment when the lines in the stochastic indicator crossed the upper danger zone line, moving downwards. Here there might be a slight price change, but I believe that the price will continue to fall. As predicted, the price continued to fall, my trade closed, and I earned $230 in just 2 minutes. As you can see, the price consistently repeats its movement. Throughout the hour, the price repeated the same patterns that we need to clearly identify and open trades at the right time. The key steps are: 1. Catch the candles breaking beyond the boundaries of the first indicator. That's the first step. 2. At the same time, in the stochastic indicator, the lines should cross the danger zone line. 3. When you've caught these two previous points, open a trade with the second candle inside the indicator. It's all straightforward. Second candle, open a trade, second candle, open a trade, second candle, open a trade, and so on. Today I used the 30-second time frame, 2 indicators, Bollinger Bands and the stochastic. I executed trades for 2 minutes, applying personal risk management, where I increased the trade amount. Today I managed to slightly boost my deposit. In the next video, I will demonstrate how you can further grow your deposit using Heiken Ashi candles. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on new videos that will help you earn. I remind you that in the next video, I will hold a $50 giveaway. The giveaway conditions were explained in the previous video. Join me on Telegram. Message me right now. This was Max. Good luck in trading and see you in the next videos.